Art directors. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Art directors are responsible for the visual style and images in magazines, newspapers, product packaging, and movie and television productions. Work environment. Most art directors are self-employed. Others work for ad agencies, newspaper and magazine publishers, the motion picture and video industries, and specialized design firms. How to become one. A bachelor's degree in art or design, as well as previous work experience, is required of art directors. Art directors may have previously worked as graphic designers, illustrators, copy editors, photographers, or in another art or design profession, depending on the industry. Salary. The median annual wage for art directors is $94,220. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of art directors is expected to decline by 2%. The employment of art directors in the newspaper, periodical, book, and directory publishers industry is expected to decline as traditional print publications lose ground to other media forms. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.